Welcome to Digital Learners. So, in this session, we are continuing the last session. So, in last session, we have completed the three objects in the Creo and stock assembly. So, we are going to make another. In this first session, we are completed these three parts, and that is view support and bracket and pivot. Now, so today we are going to make this bushes and self-locking nuts and watchers and other things, so and castle nut. So we are making these things today. So first we are going to these bushes. So for this I am taking new part and solid. So I am going to take extrude placement on top view, and I am going to sketch view. So in this I am taking that for bushes I am taking a circle, and again I am taking another circle because in bushes if there is a hole with a 50 diameter, so I am taking another circle. Okay, first one is 50 inner circle diameter and outer circle diameter is I am taking that 200. Now I am going to click on OK. So extrude is 125 plus 20, 125. So totally it is 125. So it has been extruded. We form a cylindrical shaped, hollow cylindrical shaped object. Now we are making it this into an object. Now we convert this into a bush. For that I am taking extrude. I am taking placement, defining top view, and I am sketch, so not top view because it will take from center. So I am defining that this surface, top surface, so then it will take it as from here. And now I am taking circle and one circle, and again I am taking. So I am taking two circles, and first circle diameter is, so we have the bush diameter is top diameter is 200 and down diameter is 150. So we want to reduce the 50 mm diameter. So in this top it is 150, so this we required, and this is 200 actually, so we can take 210 or 200 is enough. So select this 200. Okay, now I am going to extrude this. I am moving into 3D view, so it is in this direction. We want this, we have to remove this material, and with a length of, so total is 125, so this thickness is 25, so this is remaining 100. 125 minus 25, that is 100. So the process is formed. Now click on OK, make it as default orientation. So this is our required bush. Now I want to save this. save, no, not save, save as, because the file name I have given that. Save as, save as on desktop, create folder, stock assembly. File name is, so the file name we have designed bushing. So save as bush. So again, now taking a new file. So now we want to draw this self-locking nut. Now I am taking that, we can draw this self-locking nut at last. So we can complete all these things, and we have to make it a watcher, and watcher is very simple. Inner diameter is 75 and outer diameter is 165. So in this, and make extrude, placement, top, sketch view, circle, circle 1, circle 2, select, inner one is 75 and outer one is, outer circle diameter is 165 and thickness is 10. 175 and thickness is on both sides 10. Click on OK. So we have found this watcher. I am saving this file, save as. So this watcher number is 8, part number is 8. So 8 watcher. Okay, click on OK. So no spaces and no more dots. Okay, again I am taking a new file. File name is hexagon bolt. I am going to that new file. Name is hexagonal port with which port is 9, which is 9th port. Just a second, it is not, yeah, it is a 9th port. Click on OK. So it is okay. Now go to extrude. I am taking command placement, define, top view, and I am sketching this. I am moving into sketch view. I am going to palette. I am taking an 6 side hexagon. So the diameter of the hexagon is 104. 104 is the total hexagon diameter. So it is 104 by 2. That is 52. I am making it in the center. I'm closing this and click on OK. And now I'm going to make it click on again OK. I am extruding with the length is total is 445. I am zooming this, 445 plus 45, so totally it is 490. So 445 plus 45, 490. Click on OK. So this was extruded into 490. I am zoom outing this. again zoom out. So I am going to front view. So this is my front view. Now I am going to bottom view. So this is my going to model, and I am going to bottom view. So this is my bottom view. Now I am taking extrude command. In this I am selecting the plane. This I am taking a sketch. I want to two circles. So first circle and second circle. Now so the diameter of this one is given in 50. So the inner circle diameter is 50 and outer circle diameter is whatever we required that. So we can take that total hexagon is 104. So 104. Now click on OK, and not in this direction, we enter this direction for this removing of material. And how much we remove means 445 we want to remove. So it form a bolt. So click on OK and make it as default orientation. So the bolt was formed, and now we want to make this going to top, and I am taking sketch command. In this top sketch I am taking circle, so which is tangent to this surface. Click on OK. I am going to extrude. I want to extrude this circle, and I want to zoom this. I want only this portion. Okay, now I am going to extrude. So it is in the options we need to have add a taper. So the taper angle is radius 12. So 12 is my taper angle, and I am applying on both sides. And for removing of material, so we have formed this. So I think it is not 12, it is 1.2. No, this length is not more. Top taper is 30. So the taper is radius is 12. So it means this radius is 12. This curve radius is 12, means 12 into 2, 24. Going into front view, and I am going to zoom in this portion only, zoom out and zoom in only this portion. Extrude command. So this is 24. So we have completed this nut, and we have going to self-locking. We have completed that bolt. We want to draw this self-locking bolt, and so for that I am taking a new, that is self-locking bolt, sorry, self-locking nut. Okay, now go to extrude command, take a placement, define as top view, and sketch it as, and make it as sketch view. Take a palette with a 6-side hexagon, make it into center, and which is 115 by 2. So click on OK, and again OK. Make it into both sides. The height is 65 plus 50. So clicking on OK. Now I am taking that, rotating this. So there is two portions, one is for 50, one for 60. So leave it temporarily for 65. We want to make this 51. So extrude on placement top view, so not top view, so placement on top surface, and going make a sketch view, make a circle. So first we have to make a hole on this. So we have found this hexagon and make it a hole on this, extrude, placement, and define top view, sketch circle with the radius of 50. Click on OK. Extrude on both sides. That is 120 is better. Okay. It was a hole. Now click on OK. Again taking extrude from this. This is the surface. I'm going to make sketch view and taking circle. One is for 75 and another for 155. Just wait, this is no, I think it is 155. Is 100 and 155, so this is correct. So I click on OK with the 50 on reverse direction for removing of material. Click on OK. So we have found this with a single material. Now we want to taper this. Okay, now we are going to make a taper on this. So for this we can take a circle, define on this surface. Okay, take a circle on this surface which is tangent. This circle is tangent to this surface. So click on OK. Extrude on both sides for removing of materials, and making a taper of, it's a taper of 30. So 30 on this direction. Okay, so I have found this 30 taper and click on OK. So we have found that with the 65 and 50 and 30, 155 and 175. So all the dimensions are fulfilled. We have found this self-locking nut with a hole diameter of 50. Now I can save this self-locking nut, save, and we have completed this bushes and self-locking nut and washers and hexagonal bolts, and finally there is a castle nut. So for castle nut it is similar to self-locking nut. A small difference is there is somewhat castles, I mean some cutting portions in the nut. So to draw this, make let's start this castle nut. Go to this file, new castle nut, and click on OK. Take extrude, placement, define top view and sketch, and same as sketch view. Now first this total is 104 and inner diameter hole is 50. Total length is 104 and inner diameter is 50. Both are same. And take as a circle. So not circle, we need to take hexagon. So go to palette, 6-side hexagon. So this is 104 by 2 at the middle portion. So 104 by 2 and 50 is the diameter. And click on OK. Make a circle. Let's center, which diameter is 50. Now click on OK. Extrude. So extrude is 60. And 60 is the extrude length on both sides. Now click on OK. So we have formed these solids. So it is like a small type nut. And now we are going to make this taper. So for this taper, going to extrude, make a placement and define on this section, sketch view, and now take a circle from which is apply tangent to this circle and this any face, and click on OK and extrude this on both sides. So extrude size is 25. So 25 plus 25 is 50. Now I am applying taper angle is, so the taper angle is not given it. So here it is, taper angle is given that 20. So applying taper angle is 20 for removing of materials on the outer side. So click on OK. Now so we have found that now we want to make a castles. So with 4-6 castles, which distance is 10, which diameter is 10. And now go to extrude, make a placement, select on the surface and take this sketch view and make distance to now hidden. So or you can use also hidden, or you can use also well framed also. So now I am taking a rectangle. So this is my rectangle. This length is 10 and this one is 5. If you can use also symmetric by applying axis, and this one is I think 20 is enough. So here hole diameter is 50, so it is 20 from here. We'll take this as 25 also, and this plus 20, and this will as 30. So this is 20, this is 30, and now click on OK and make this as shaded or hidden. So extrude with the depth of 25 on 25 downward direction. So it has removing the material. So first one is formed. Now click on OK, make it into top view. Now go to pattern, so go to pattern, we can use the y-axis, so make it default orientation, hide this plane, and then make it as axis, select on this y-axis. So we need totally 1 2 3 on this direction, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 cascade, 6 holes. So give this 6 with 60 degrees, angle is 60 degrees, and so 6 cascades are formed. So this is the way to form the castle nuts. And okay, it was completed. Next click on save castle nut. Okay, so we have draw this all these things. So in this next session we can assemble this all this. In this next session we can assemble all these things, so individual, that is bracket, pivot, U support, and so all these are stored on desktop. So Creo, stock assembly, so totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 pots. So this is 1 2 and 3 4 5 6 7 8 pots, totally 10 figures and 8 pots, sorry 8 objects. 8 objects are developed in the Creo. So in this next session we can assemble all these things into together, and so we can form this finalized stock assembly. So this is enough for today's session. We'll meet on next session. Please subscribe to our channel and like the videos, and if you have any doubts on these things, please make sure comment on this below. So thank you for watching.